Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS text align and text direction. And right now we'll be discussing about the CSS text align last property along with left value. So the text align last property specifies how to align the last line of a text. So I want you to note that one very well. Back to our document, let's see what we got. So inside our align last property right here, we are going to be using left value there. That's what we are going to be doing. Back to our document, as you can see, this is our document now. In our previous tutorial, we discussed about the align justify, text align justify, and we discussed about the text align last property, which we specify center value there. But right now, we are going to be giving it text align left, so you can see how this works. Text align last left. I'm going to give this last left. When I give this last left, let's reload. Can you see what occurs now? Definitely we get back to the default level of the CSS text align justify. So instead of now saying you want to specify this text align last left, if you don't need it, you can just remove it and leave just text align property there. Definitely the last element is going to be text align last left. But let's say you want to control it, that's the only time you can now use the text align. You want to control the last text, then you can use the text align last property. And also when you use the text align last property, you can use right. When you use right, you reload. Can you see? When you use center, reload it. Can you see? When you use justify, you reload it. Can you see? So again, let's now say for instance we don't have this text align at all. Save our document. Let's use only text align last and see what we got. Can you see? Only this last text that is having space. Only this last text immediately after our space is the one that this align last is controlling. So as you can see now, it's justifying it. If we say it should come to the left, everything will come to the left. If you say it should come to the right, all the text is going to go to the left, right. Or if you say it should come to the center, all the text is going to come to the center. And again, let's say we don't have this padding at all. Let's see how it works again. Can you see? Our last text right here now, see the way it's working now. We are trying to text align last to the center. Let's keep it to the left, which is by default. Can you see? Our last text right here. So let's say to the right. Reload. Can you see? Our last text right here. And when we give it justify, let's see what will happen. Justify. It will control the space between this one and this one. It will control this little space there. So let's reload. Can you see? So that's what happens now. Our text is now aligned left and right now. So this is how you can use the text align last property to control your document in a reasonable manner. Anwar akorede ayofe is my name once again. I wish to see you guys next time to the next tutorial. Peace and love. Have a great day. Thank you so much. Bye bye.